I have made it to Alabama, and I must say my first impressions are wow. I don't know what I really expected, to be honest, but I've spent the last hour or so, wow, up there I just saw deer trotting across the road. I've spent the last hour or so surrounded by lush forest. It's quite a cool autumnal morning, but this is a landscape I didn't really know existed. Quite phenomenal. I think I am going to very much enjoy this morning. The great joy of travel is seeing places with your own eyes and having your preconceptions challenged and changed. And I must say that that is exactly the case with Alabama. I don't know what I expected, but I wasn't expecting this. Firstly, I was expecting it to be a lot flatter, pancake flat. When I looked at the map of America, I was thinking get across the Rockies and it would be completely flat thereafter. I was completely wrong. I've been doing a lot of climbing for the last couple of days, and also the great sense of space and forest. Again, I don't really know what I was expecting, but it wasn't this. And that is why we all travel, isn't it? To just experience places firsthand, and rather than just trusting an image on Google or in a book, seeing it with our own eyes. This is one of those very frustrating moments. I've been making brilliant time today, thinking that everything was going swimmingly, and now I have sustained a very, very, very bad puncture. Back tire is completely lacerated, so I'm just going to have to try and patch it up as best as I can. On the side of this quite busy road, I was just starting to salivate at the prospect of a cold beer. I'm about 70 miles in, I've got about 10 or 12 miles left, and then this happens. And it's always the back tire. That's what makes these things so annoying. If it was the front tire, it'd be fine, but back tire, everything's got to come off, chain's got to come off, even the kickstand's got to come off on this bike. I am now, quite remarkably, more than 3,000 miles into this ride across America. And now I have Alabama behind me, and ahead of me, well, it looks exactly the same, Florida. And that is where I'm going. I've got about another 2.5 weeks and about 1,000 miles to cycle all the way to Key West, Florida. Thank you very much for following along with this journey. Please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, leave me a comment, and I'll get back to you. But for now, it's time for me to get back on the road.